Ever wondered why your garden tends to lose its charm during certain seasons? Seasonal landscaping is key to maintaining its beauty year-round. It's a common misconception that gardens don't need seasonal preparation. Understanding the needs of your garden per season can make a world of difference. Now, when spring rolls around, it's time to roll up your sleeves. Start by clearing away winter's leftover debris. Next, prune back overgrown plants and trees. Finally, plant early spring flowers for a vibrant touch. With these spring tips, your garden will be off to a great start. As we move into summer, your garden needs a different kind of attention. This is the time for deep watering, applying mulch to retain moisture, and implementing pest control measures. These summer care tips will help your garden stay vibrant despite the heat. When fall arrives, it's time to prepare your garden for the colder months. Start by tidying up fallen leaves. Plant fall flowers for a burst of color. And don't forget to prepare perennials for winter. With these tips, your garden will be ready for winter in no time. Winter may seem like a time for rest, but your garden still needs care. Safeguard your plants from frost, maintain a proper watering schedule, and start planning for the upcoming gardening season. Following these winter care tips will ensure your garden is ready for a thriving spring. Now you see, seasonal landscaping is not a one-time task but a year-round commitment. From the spring cleanup to the summer care, the fall preparation, and the winter vigilance, each season plays a unique role in your garden's life. It's akin to a symphony, where each movement contributes to the grand finale. This commitment to seasonal landscaping ensures your garden maintains its beauty and vitality throughout the year. Remember, the secret to a thriving garden lies in understanding its seasonal needs.